Hi, it's Michael Gaffney. You're admiring this design. It's called the landscape design. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to do it. I started with a long tray, long boxes, concrete boxes work very well. And then you do an all-around setting, it's real simple, of each flower. So, and the other important thing is to stack the height, here to low, to give it the illusion of a garden. Some flowers grow low, some flowers grow high. I started with my tall ones first. I put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of green, 3 bells of Ireland. Then I started working my way down with 3 stocks, 3 roses, come low carnations. I call it my property. I've got some roses bush blooming on my property. So think of it as almost a diorama from your museum, your local museum. And then I framed it. This adds the kick. When you frame it, I used some birch, some forsythia, some curly willow, multiple kinds of sticks to frame in my design. It should always be pointing back to your design to draw attention to it. You don't want them pointing out or your clients are going to look that way. You want them looking at the design. So, one of my favorites here at school, we do these at Flower School 101 in every city, landscape design. Join us for class. It's really cool. This is good. Where will you use this? Along a buffet table, a sign-in table, down your wedding, on the aisle, on both sides, boxes of flowers. So when you're walking down the aisle, it's like you're walking amongst a beautiful blooming hedge of wildlife or a field or a garden. That is the vibe of this one. So again, I have classes in 17 cities. I'm in Austin. Hi to my students, and you can join us in class. I guarantee you'll do spectacular work by the way I teach. I'm the only way to teach it that way. Students have gone to other schools before mine and after mine and said, oh my God, there's nothing like this. So this was on our 3rd day. Students did these, and they were just as pretty as mine. Very easy design, following a few simple rules. All around design, see, all around, not all facing that way, but in a one-sided design, which makes this a little bit unusual. So, Flower School 101, I'll see you in class.